my goodness, they're lost again! Come on! Yeah, it is sabotage.
It's so funny.
Look towards the rear.
One's winning.
Go the other way. I think the right hand side is paddling against the left hand side. That's where they're going around in circles.
That's because they're not paddling. Some people need to take over, and they're all doing it. That's funny though.
What is winning?
Right, the first lot are going out. And they're coming on the ball. You can see how long somebody's pulled down in the water. Remember, they've got to put another body in that boat. Pick up the bases.
Number one's there already.
First one is out there. Goes now getting into it.
Oh, they went there. Yeah, but they've got to go in. They've got to get
We
in.
have 2 rescue boats here waiting. Everything is
Oh,
covered.
come on!
They're like basically a fifth or something.
Number 2 we have coming up, the second boat.
Well, they ain't sunk, so that's a start. They're going the wrong way, but they need to paddle on that side more.
They're sinking.
Watching everybody very carefully.
Yeah, look how
Don't forget tonight, this is where you'll see the fireworks, 9 o'clock. This is the best position to see them from. And number 1, I think it's number 1 coming
Oh, they've got
along.
their maiden. Oh,
No, they've been cold together.
Number 1 is the black pig, so they tell me. Rescue boats are just standing by. Don't know what's happening at the end. The last one did a lot of paddling, but it doesn't seem to be shifting much. Oh, they're getting tired. Oh, these ones are coming up lovely. Come on, in, out. Come on, get it shouting.
oh, they're obviously going to win. Look at that.
Program is the black pig, we hope we're right.
Mum, number 3's using their hands.
Look at this one at the end. Look at this water going up there. Like a paddle steamer.
They're going down, aren't they? Are they sitting on a little thing?
They're on boat.
Are they getting Missy on? No, this is a very crucial moment.
Oh no.
Will they get Missy on and carry on going?
Oh, she's getting
Oh, she's on! Yay! Now they've got to try and take over.
Oh, I see. Uh-oh. Look at that one at the end. A lot of paddling, nothing happening.
They're slowly sinking. Oh, they are.
No, they're all right. They keep going. It's all right. They just need to overtake everybody else
Keep
now.
going. 1, in, out.
They're close to their.
They're closing the gap. They're closing the gap.
Between the number 2 to number 3 are coming down here. Hang on, Bear's got quick excited. She stood up, never mind.
They're in. Oh, they've won. Well done. Come on.
Anyone got any complaints?
Come on, they can, I think they can look. They're catching up, huh?
They all make it Someone has to face the goal going.
Did he?
Number 1's all the way down there.
Number 2, we have 6 places. First prize is a dead giveaway. They will be marching around the park with their wet boat, and they'll be in the arena for the prize giving. Come on there, whoever you are, who wants 2nd and 3rd? Now I've watched the last one right to the back, but now putting an extra body in.
Come on, onesies! Come on! Come on!
We have 3 boats here.
I don't know what they've called themselves actually, but what are they?
The Ark.
Oh, the Ark, of course.
Uh-oh, I don't like to look at the one in the middle there. It's a bit low.
Oh, it's going down. Marina's going down.
My God, the cruisers have come up here. The rich people are out. Wait for the rich people.
No, they ain't got time.
Come on, is anyone ready?
Come on!
Come on, babe.
Fair brother, paddle. Come on, fair brother! Move it! Bring it to first! Come on! You nearly catch them out!
There's a half a crown and
That's a big gobbin.
The 2 and 6 are coming along.
Come on! You did good! You're doing it! Come on!
It's the calendar going.
Come on! You're nearly there!
Turning to the...
Come on, nearly seconds! Come on! Come on! excited I am.
melons, and a
Oh, come on!
No, you're going the wrong way. Get over there.
Oh, they're going down, aren't they?
You're that way. Got a bit lower the roof in the back there. Go on, number two, second.
Oh, come on! They've gone the wrong way.
What's the other one?
I can't see where they're going.
Oh, they're back on track. Oh, they're
Oh no, they're going to end up fighting. Oh no, they're fighting. Yeah.
It's James doing it.
Oh my God. Oh, the camera.
Oh, they got the wrong way!
Here they come. No, don't keep pointing.
Oh, they're going to come forward now because it's super fight.
Greenwood say no to stop. Here, when this camera goes, go big. Oh, come on there. Number 4 just comes up right now. Number 4 could get third place. Number 5 is
They're going to be fourth, aren't they? Fourth. Oh.